So are you a small YouTuber in Nigeria and you're wondering how you can make ₦1 million on YouTube even with 0 subscribers? Well, stick around. I have just simple strategies you can start using today. And by the end of this video, you would have all the tools you need to start earning. So do not miss this. Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Favorite Chinazo here again. If you are new here, my channel is all about helping YouTubers like you succeed and making money. So making money on YouTube as a Nigerian without thousands of subscribers may seem impossible, but trust me, it is not. Today, I'll share real life strategies Nigerians are already using to earn their first ₦1 million on YouTube. Okay, but let me ask you before we dive right into it. How much could extra cash improve your life right now? Like, how much cash do you need that would improve your life right now? While you think about that question, let's get started. So the first strategy you should not be sleeping on is to sell customized services through YouTube. Yes. So if you are skilled in something unique like CV writing, social media management, or even event planning, YouTube can be a platform to showcase your expertise and attract clients. For instance, you can create videos giving free tips on how to write the perfect Nigerian CV, or you can create a video on how to plan a budget-friendly wedding in Lagos. You know, this kind of videos, tutorials that would get people wanting your services at the end of the day. So at the end of the video, you can offer your services directly, or you can drop a link in your description box for consultation. Okay, so a small channel can do this. So there's an example of a small channel I came across that did this, and she made over 300K in under 2 months just from consultation. So when you give out these free tips, you customize your services, you are gonna be making a lot of money, and you do not need a lot of subscribers. So I want you to think now, ask yourself, what skill or service would you love to monetize? Would you love to turn into an income? Okay, so if you have any ideas or if you have thought about it, please do share them in the comments below. So strategy number 2 is to use digital products. Yes, so Nigerians are always looking for practical knowledge. And what better way to make money than to sell a digital product like, you know, an ebook or a mini course. So let's say you are great at makeup or graphic design. You can create tutorials using your phone and sell them for as low as 1,500 naira or more. So there are platforms that you can put your services on, or you can put these digital platform products on, like Paystack or Seller. They make it easy for you to sell online. All you have to do is just get your link and put it in the description box. And there are examples of different Nigerian YouTubers who have done this exact strategy and they have earned a lot of money. So selling an online course or a digital product is a huge source of income that you do not want to sleep on. There is a Nigerian YouTuber who shared a course on budgeting, and she earned over 600K just from selling that online course. So using digital products as a means of stream of income is a huge benefit. So the third strategy would be to offer paid access to exclusive content. Now let me explain. So many Nigerians are willing to pay for premium exclusive content if it solves a problem or adds significant value to them. So there are platforms like Patreon or even a simple WhatsApp group can help you monetize your expertise. For example, you are a small YouTuber in Nigeria who teaches Forex trading. You can decide to charge 5,000 naira for access to a private group where they share an in-depth tutorial on how to trade Forex. So even with just 100 members, that is giving you 500,000 naira cool cash. And that's not all. You can decide to then say you are giving an upgraded class and they pay extra money. Okay. So having paid access to exclusive content is one strategy you do not want to sleep on. I know a YouTuber who is actually, she's a big YouTuber though, but she then created a WhatsApp group on how to grow your YouTube channel, how to make YouTube content and all of that. And she's charging a lot of money for that. Now imagine she's charging 15,000 naira per head and she gets about 100 or 200 people register for that class. That's a lot of money. But you can do it even though you do not have so much subscribers. With as small as 1,000 subscribers, 800 subscribers, you can get the money that you need. Remember the example I gave earlier of someone who is charging 5,000 naira to gain access to a private group. So if about 500 people watches the video and 100 people registers for that class, he has made 500,000. So I want you to think, what exclusive content could you offer to your audience? You can do research and come up with these ideas if you do not have any right now, and then you now share these ideas as a form of tutorial video on YouTube, and at the end of the video you mention that you are giving out exclusive access to a paid information, and that way you get more people to who you get people who are interested in this offer and you make money. So you do not need so many subscribers to start making money on YouTube. So the fourth strategy you do not want to sleep on is sponsored content for local businesses. Yes. So there are many Nigerians who run businesses that want to reach online audiences, but they don't know how to. Even in your locality, even around you, you can search for local brands who can sponsor your content. As a small channel, you can pitch your ideas to these local brands, and of course they sponsor you, but you do not expect to make a lot of money from it. Okay. One creator shared how a local food vendor paid 20,000 naira for a single video. That's something. Okay. You can get people who would pay more. It depends on the kind of offer you give them. If you give them a juicy offer on how much they are expected to make from the video, they would definitely love to sponsor your content. And this person that made a video and the vendor paid 20,000 naira to sponsor it had only 300 subscribers. So you want to focus on solving the brand's problem. Most brands are always looking for customers. That's the problem of most brands. So if you can bring them 50 people, 100 people, if you can even bring 300 people to know about this brand, they would love it and they would definitely jump on the offer that you are giving them. So I want you to do a research. What local businesses do you think would love to sponsor your video? You can look for people around you. If you have small businesses in your area, in your locality, you can reach out to them and create an offer, that they should sponsor your video, and that's it. You started making money with small subscribers that you have. So you do not need to have a lot of subscribers to start making money. The fifth strategy is content licensing. Yes. If you create high quality or unique videos, you can leverage on this. There are platforms like Black Box or even direct deals with Nigerian media outlets that can earn you passive income. For example, a Lagos-based creator sold drone footage of a popular market for 150,000 naira. Yes. So you always think about how your content can add value outside YouTube. YouTube's monetization program is not the only means that you can make money. And then you do not need a lot of subscribers. I keep repeating that. You do not need a lot of subscribers to make money. So there you have it. Those are the 5 practical ways to earn your first 1 million naira on YouTube without a large subscriber base. Okay, so which strategy are you looking forward to trying? First, let me know in the comments. Remember, it's not about perfection, okay, it's about progress. So try your best to look out or do your research on any of the strategies I have mentioned. So if this video was helpful to you, please do well to like, share, and subscribe. And of course, drop your comments. If you have questions, I would definitely respond to them. Thank you for watching. Bye.